Shots of milk.
Is that number 8 so far?
Number 8.
Look at number 9.
Number 9. Yes, to some Arabs.
Just some Arabs. Oh, guys, this is getting 10. This is getting crazy.
No, that was 10.
No, that was 10. Oh, sorry. Number 11. This is crazy.
Oh, I think we're gonna finish this jug tonight.
Oh, maybe. I don't know.
Are you gonna bring out the whiskey?
Are we buzzed yet?
Yeah. Just a tad, just a tad.
To America?
To America.
America.
Who next?
The Inglorious?
Bastards.
Oh, man.
Now 2. That was number 11, so this will be 12.
Oh, God, this has to be a good one. 2.
Europeans to Nazis. How about that? To Nazis.
Nazis.
Oh, there we go. Decent.
Yeah. It's getting there.
Yeah.
Well,
So,
Megan Fox?
Megan Fox, very hot.
It's a good one.
Oh, yeah, very good one.
Pretty sure Megan Fox is doing this too.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Taking shots of milk.
Shots of milk.
Oh, not just any milk either.
Oh, different milk?
2%
Oh, 2%.
milk. Reduced fat, 2% milk.
Good.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
you just
overdid it. Looks like it's working. It's getting crazy.
I think we're gonna need some napkins.
Oh man.
Hopefully I won't overflow yours.
Is it Shaylee?
Shaylee.
Oh gosh, this is what, 14?
14. I think I lost count.
Oh, the numbers are all getting mixed up right now.
Yeah. Mine too. Oh, we're almost out.
Oh man. Alright, who are we gonna make this one to?
To the Hot Chicks of America.
Chicks America. Oh man.
Feeling pretty good right now. Maybe it's Brock Lesnar?
It's a Brock Lesnar.
Very good guy.
Let's hope he gets well.
I hope he gets well.
Just great, just great.
Perfect.
It's great. God,
Oh, we're almost out. I think we got 2 or 3 more.
Almost out. Oh man, this has to be big because this could be our last one. Oh,
Maybe. To all the YouTubers?
all the YouTubers.
All the YouTubers. I think we have one more.
Half it.
Oh.
I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it.
Oh.
Let's go.
Ready?
We're gonna make this one too. Ourselves.
Oof. There we go.